The other day I saw a video about people showing their evening routine of turning off all of their Christmas lights manually. And I thought, this is 2025, 2026. Who's doing it manually anymore? Everything can be done basically automatic, and you don't even have to think about it, and you don't have to waste electricity all night long or electricity during the day when you don't want your lights on. So today I'm going to show you all of the little pieces that I use to make sure that my lights are only on when I want them on, and how it's basically all automatic. So first I'm going to show you what I use outdoor. The main one is just this big one right here, and I bought this on Amazon. You can find these pretty easy, but the best part about these is that they have automatic sensors on the top that will use the light to turn on and off. So what you can do is you plug this in, and it has 6 places to plug in all of your lights in your front yard. And what you're going to do is you're going to plug in all of your lights, and then you're going to come up here and you're going to set it to be 8 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, or dusk to dawn. So on this one, I actually keep it on dusk to dawn because I have all of my True Tone lights that are plugged into these 6 outlets. So I put it dusk to dawn because I want my lights to come on when it starts to get dark in the evening. And because these are LED lights, they're not costing me a lot to run. So I run them all night long. And then when the sun comes up in the morning, they will turn off. That way there's some lights on in the morning when people are leaving for work, and my True Tones are not very bright, so they're not really gonna bother anybody, plus my neighbors have all told me that they really like them. So these, I use a dusk to dawn, have all my True Tones plugged into this, and then they will be on all night long. I never even have to worry about them turning on or turning off in the morning. Just this nice big piece that has 6 outlets. I also have 2 trees that are lit up, and I like to use these. This has 3 outlets on the bottom, and it has the same options, but what I do is I put it to 6 hours. So what this does is it also has a sensor. When the sun goes down, the lights will turn on. It'll get power to all of these outlets, but after 6 hours, the lights will turn off so that my big trees are not on all night long. Those are also LEDs. They're not using a lot, but they are much brighter, so I don't want them on all night. Plus, I like having the glow of the True Tone just in the middle of the night and in the morning. So by having the rest of my LED lights on something like this, they will turn off after 6 hours, which is, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, they turn on and they're off by midnight. So they're on when people are driving in and driving out of the neighborhood, but it's not on all night to really bother my neighbors. And it keeps my electrical bill down because it's not running all night long. This also comes with just a little remote that you can just use to turn it on and off. I don't really ever use this remote. It just hangs on my keychain by the front of the house, but if I want to turn them on or off, from inside, I can do that, which makes it kind of nice, but I honestly don't really use it. I just use this because it has a sensor. So all of my lights outside are on sensors. I can have them be on dusk to dawn. I can have them be on just to 4 hours, and then some turn off and some stay on all night. So that's why I like having my outdoor lights on sensors. So I used to use these for my indoor lights, and they're kind of little timers, and you have to set them, and if you unplug them, it would get messed up. So you would flip them on, so you would want it on at 8 p.m. and then they'd turn off at midnight. You'd have to set the current time like that, and then it was, let's say it's 8 o'clock right now. So it's 8 o'clock in the evening. Then if these were up, the lights would be on, or if they're down, they'd be on. These honestly got a little confusing. They're kind of the old school way of doing it. I also had one of these that I used to use outside. It's basically this, but it has one of these dials on it, and I've gotten rid of them. So I did use these inside for a few years, but now I don't really use them anymore because they just take a little bit more work, and if you unplug them, the time gets all messed up, and then you're kind of just stuck and you have to reuse them, or it thinks it's 8 o'clock, but it's really 10 o'clock and everything's just confusing. But I found these Tapo ones, and I really like these. I think there's like an Amazon version. These are basically smart plugs, and I have a whole bunch of these on each of my lights throughout my house. So I can show you kind of on here, but I have front room lights, hallway lights, lantern lights, a lava lamp, Christmas lights in the front, my True Tone sign, my window lights. They're all on these, and these are connected to the Wi-Fi in the house, and I can control them all by my phone, and I have them all connected to the same time. So I have these where they actually, by using the internet time, they know when the sun will go down. So I have them to turn on when the sun goes down, and then I have them to turn off at 11 p.m. So all the lights in my house will just automatically turn on when the sun goes down, or it might be about 20 minutes before the sun goes down, I've set it to. And then at 11 o'clock, they all turn off at night. And this has been the easiest way to have everything in my house be on and off. I have the Christmas tree on one that stays on a little bit longer. I think that one is actually sunset to sunrise, kind of like my outside trees, but you can see my Christmas tree from the front street. So I kind of like having that where people can see it. So I can do that with these, but I can have them where I have a group, so everything is together, or I can have it where only some lights turn on. But like I said, I have it so all my lights in my house are on the same group, so they all turn on about evening, and then they all turn off at 11 o'clock p.m. So for inside lights, this is like the best way I have found. There's, I think, an Amazon version. This is the Tapo version. There's a whole bunch of these little smart plugs. But once I've been using these, they have been absolutely amazing to use in the house and save me electricity. So here's what the Tapo does on the inside. I can press one button and all the lights come on. So I have the lights over there, and then I have the tree over here, all on one set. And they turn off and on automatically whenever I want them to. So just thought I'd quickly show you all the things that I use to control the lights in my house. These are ones I don't really use anymore. These smart plugs are what I use inside, and these light sensors are what I use outside. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.